And yes, Indian women do look so lovely in Kajal. I have to say that, being a guy myself. Absolutely, hands up. All right, you get bonus points for that clever question, lady. All right. Okay, moving on. Who's going to be my next question? Okay, there, sir. Who's raised his hand? Sir, can you please stand up? Sir, your name, please.
Yeah, good evening. This is Raj, member of the press. I'd like to ask Aishwarya.
Good evening, Raj.
How would you define Indian beauty?
There is a lot that can be said about being Indian, and that in itself is beautiful because we are who we are as a people. We're very rooted. We uphold our values in the highest esteem. We're very simple people, and I was taught very early, simple living and high thinking, and I think that resounds for us as a people. We aspire, we are aspirational, we are very hardworking, but we know to retain respect, love, conscientiousness, commitment, tradition, and mutual fellowship to a large extent. I truly believe that. I've been able to practice that. I have experienced that. And there is so much that can be said about being Indian, but in a simple word, your answer is in your question. Being Indian is being extremely beautiful.
Round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. What an answer, Aishwarya. Thank you. All right, next question. All right, the lady there. Ma'am, can you please stand up?
Yeah.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Aishwarya, I'm Renuka from Bombay Times. My question for you is, girls right from our childhood, we are crazy for makeup, we love lipsticks, we love to wear our mother's lipsticks and stand in the mirror. Aradhya is still very little, but is it anything that she like about your makeup box? Does she sort of reach out for your handbag and sort of, does she like anything in particular, be it lipsticks or kajal?
Too early. I may be sitting as a brand ambassador for a brand I'm very, very proud of, but I will not fib. It's too early.
Okay. Hello. And Ash, you're one of the most gorgeous women in the world.
Sweet,
please share your beauty secrets with us.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, please take out your notepads. This is that golden moment. You should not miss out a single line. All right, Aishwarya.
Well, there are a few ways. The first thing that I always say in absolute honesty is if you're talking about the exterior, I have to thank my father for marrying my mother because I have to thank them for their genes. I had nothing to do with this being born with this body or with this physicality or this face or these features. It's all the two of them coming together and God blessed. So I'm very, very grateful for that. That apart, having stepped into showbiz, I've had the wonderful opportunity of working with incredible professionals who help me look like this when I have to present myself in front of you, the media, or on celluloid when I play characters. Great photographers, great cinematographers, and a wonderfully appreciative audience. So I'm very, very thankful for every professional that I've worked with that has given me the pleasure of experiencing appreciation in my life, but truly, I don't have anything to do with it.
I have to say one thing, which is most beautiful about an Indian woman, which you've showed today, is her humility as well. So let's hear it for Indian woman and her humility, please. Come on. Great. All right, next question, please.
Yeah.
Hello. Where are you, ma'am?
Yeah.
Hi.
Hi. I'm Garima.
Hi, Garima.
ऐश्वर्या जी, हम सब जानते हैं कि आपकी आंखें बहुत खूबसूरत हैं, पर आपको किसकी आंखें खूबसूरत लगती हैं?
Well, obviously right now you all know one only answer I keep giving because I'm besotted. मैं कहूँगी मेरी माँ, मैं कहूँगी मेरी बेटी आराध्या.
All right, next question, please. Who's it going to be?
Pooja.
Hi, Pooja.
Hi, Pooja.
Aishwarya, in today's world, people and mostly actress celebrities keep on saying that less is more. And just now you has given some beauty tips, but even though we would like to know what is less is more for you, including kajal.
You're asking me how less, no, sorry, please rephrase your question.
Actresses keep on saying less is more in today's world, as far as beauty secrets are concerned. So according to you, is it true?
Yeah. That's more clearer, ma'am.
So yes, I agree, because too much fuss can take away from accentuating just what needs the attention. So I agree when we say that, you know, sometimes when people ask us, what's the basic makeup that you'd use probably before running out of the house, or if you just need to go to a function, if you just could do one thing, that is when we often say that we just like to probably accentuate our eyes with kajal or a little bit of lip gloss, and you feel you're ready, you know. So these are the two immediate things that we tend to, as women, it's not necessarily just as actresses, yes, as women in showbiz, we are photographed all the time, evidently, thank you very much. And so, you know, you feel the need to be a little more prepared for it, and just to feel a little more ready and a little more dressed up. Immediately when you use a kajal, you feel your eyes brightened, and you immediately feel that there you can walk into a room and share a sharper look. And yeah, or a touch of a gloss. So probably that's what people are referring to when they say just less is more than enough.
All right, next question, please. Yes, ma'am. Can I have your name, please?
Yeah, Shoma Ghosh.
Hi, Shoma.
मेरा प्रश्न आपसे ये है कि मदर बनने के बाद भी आप इतनी गॉर्जियस लुक अभी भी आपका है. So how you maintain that? कैसे किया उसको?
सब आप लोगों के नजर के सामने. हर स्टेज आप लोगों ने देखा है. But I'd just like to say that I think what's important is to be in a positive state of mind, to actually enjoy the experience. It's a blessing. I mean, I feel so blessed to have experienced motherhood, and I thoroughly enjoy taking care of Aradhya. It's day, night, round the clock, all consuming, 2 years plus, but I think when you're positive about it, you don't feel the exhaustion. I always say it's the most beautiful fatigue you can have, and or the most beautiful exhaustion you could experience, because you almost don't have time to keep pace with it and to really moan and groan about it. And if that's not your mindset, if you're positive about it, you will actually experience the positivity of such a beautiful experience. I think that's what radiates, if I may say so myself.